Now that I've explained to you how to create your video using Screencast-O-Matic, I want to talk to you about how to finish, publish your video so that your classmates and myself will have access to it. Now this is going to be a little bit difficult for me to explain because I can't physically show you at the same time because obviously I am creating a video. So what you're going to do though, once you have finished recording, is just in the bottom left corner, you're going to click here to pause or stop recording. Now once you click to pause or stop recording, there's going to be several options where you can delete and start over, but you want to click that last option, and all of this is going to be in the bottom left corner. Click on done, right? Click on done, and then once you click on done, there's going to be several options including upload directly to YouTube, upload to Screencast-O-Matic, things like that. You want to click on save and upload. All right, once you click on save and upload, you want to save it as a video file. And you really want to save it on your computer. I encourage you to save it on the desktop because that way you have easy access to it. So click on save and upload, click on video file, name the file whatever the name of your presentation is, and then I encourage you to save it on the desktop folder. Now once you do that and it saves, once you do that, you also want to click publish. Now clicking publish is just the kind of default word for save. So once you click publish, it's going to save on your desktop. So here's what you do from there. From there, you're going to go to YouTube. Now, this is the YouTube that is linked to my work email that I use for educational videos. You can use your private YouTube account. It really doesn't matter. But once you go to YouTube, if you've never uploaded a video on YouTube, here's what you do. You click first on this little icon that looks like a camera or a video recorder and a plus sign. Click on that. Click on upload video. And once you click on those things, it's going to ask you to select a file. And so you click select file and you can choose, and I'm walking through how to use the video that I created prior to this one. Click on using Screencast-O-Matic is the name of my file, whatever the name of your file is. Click open. And you're going to get several things to pop up on the screen. So here you just scroll down. There are a couple of things you do need to make sure that you choose just so that your video is accessible and we are able to use it. So first thing you want to make sure you do is yes, it is made for children. That way YouTube doesn't block any of the features. There are no age restrictions. It's not a paid promo. You don't need any of that. So then you just click next. You don't need to modify anything there. To be honest, click next. You do want to make sure that it is public, right? You want to make sure that it's public so that we can all see it. So once you do that, you don't need to choose anything here, to be honest with you. And then you're going to click on publish. And depending on the video and the length of the video, sometimes it takes a while. As you can see, this one is going relatively quickly in terms of uploading or processing to YouTube. So we'll just wait a couple of minutes and hopefully it will get processed. So the video is done processing. Notice it says finish processing. You just close here and then you'll see here are other videos that I have for my classes, but nevertheless what you want to do is click on your video, and what you see here in this on the right hand side of the screen is the video link. This is what you're going to copy and paste in an email to me so that I can post your video on Moodle. And it may seem complicated if you've never done anything like this before, but I do promise you it is really not that complicated. You just want to make sure that you are that we are able to hear you. You want to make sure that the lighting is pretty good wherever you are, and you want to make sure that your webcam, whether it's a camera that's embedded into your laptop or a camera that is a separate piece of hardware, you just want to make sure that everything is adequate and up to par. And again, I will remind you that we do have resources here on campus. Campus is open. You can come and do your project. I realize that this is a partner project, so there may be some difficulty or complications with getting together. So you and your partner can work that out, maybe meet at each other's homes or both meet here on campus, taking necessary precautions And I think we can, like I said several times already, I think this can be done. If you have any other questions, please do let me know.